Oh my god. Okay, so I am going a little bit bonkers in quarantine, and I decided that I would dye my hair pink. I am going to be using L'Oreal's Colourista semi-permanent hair color in the color Pink 200, and it says it lasts about 2 to 5 shampoos, so that's what I need. I think if you can kind of see like on here, mine will definitely be more like this color because I still have like a lot of brown in it. So I am going to bring you guys along with this journey. It's gonna kind of be like a vlog, I guess, and I'm going to do this. Okay, so I'm just gonna okay, so it says
Play it, wash it, do it again. Colourista semi-permanent is sprayed with pure, direct dyes and a conditioning hair mask. No mixing required, no ammonium peroxide, vegan formula, no animal-derived ingredient or byproduct.
expert brush included. No way. Okay, so this is what this looks like. Okay, so here it is. It just says exactly what it said before. Yeah, okay. So that's that. And then we also have the expert brush. Wow. And then we have a whack load of instructions. We should probably read those. Okay, there we go. Oh sweet, comes with gloves though. That's very ironic in this time because I was just about to like go there. Wow, that didn't really work. Oh, there's like multiple sets. Sweet, keeping those bad boys. I think I'm just gonna go in and cover my whole head. So let's go. Let's do it. Okay, the smell of this and like the texture of this really reminds me. Now, I don't know if you guys ever had it, but there was like this like kit for your hair where you could like, you put it in like these two sponges. It was like a little straightener and then it had like two sponges and you would put like, literally looks like this in like the sponges and you would close it and then you would like streak your hair like this. Am I the only one who remembers this? I will try to find it. So this is what it looked like when I used it, like the straightener and the sponge thing, but I literally cannot find anything on the internet that shows it, but there's the box, so if you had that too, girl, you were cool back in the day as well. Okay, so now I have finished putting in the pink. It looks so dark. I'm a little nervous because I don't want it to be that dark. I want it to be like the picture, obviously. So I think it said you put on a timer for, what was it, like 15 to 20 minutes or 15 to 30, I think it was. So I'm gonna do a 20-minute timer and then I will check it out. So here goes my 20-minute timer. already. So it has been 20 minutes. It's like kind of crusty. Like it's definitely not wet to the touch. Nope. So I think that means it is time to shower. So I'm gonna go shower and just rinse my hair with just water because it said to obviously just rinse it with water, and then I'll be back to blow dry my hair. Alrighty, so I'm out of the shower. I kind of got like a peek of it through here. I just don't really want it to be like super like bright. I want it to definitely be like more of like a subtle pink. So I'm praying that this isn't like super vibrant and like regretful, but hey, I have nowhere to go. It's quarantine, so whatever. I'm just gonna do like a quick little time lapse of me blow drying my hair, and yeah, I'll see you guys in a quick second. Oh my god. Okay, so it's bad. I don't like it. I really don't. It's purple and I wanted a pink, so that's a first like issue that I'm not really happy with. I mean, thank God it washes out in 2 to 5 washes because I totally am not a fan. I might even try to like wash it out again and see, because right now it's just like super vibrant and I want it a little bit more like pastel. So if you are like as blonde as me and you're thinking about doing this, I would definitely recommend going with the one up from this one. So this one was like the pink 220, whatever it was, but there's one that's lighter than that, but I thought it would look too dull. But this is like purple. This isn't pink, but maybe just my hair is just so like blonde in certain spots that it makes it look super purple, but like this is fuchsia to me. This isn't pink, and the like packaging on the pictures and stuff is definitely not accurate. So please excuse me while I probably go wash my hair and cry a little bit because this isn't it, sis. Just kidding. I'm not gonna cry because it washes out, so like it's not that big of a deal. But yeah, this is like a thumbs down for me. This isn't what I wanted. Okay, so obviously it is the next day. I let my hair dry and then I curled it. I'm not mad about it. Like, it doesn't look as bad as it did yesterday. I like the fade in this a lot more than the disaster we had yesterday. It's definitely something to get used to. I think this color is just a little bit on the dark side for me. I wanted more of like a bubblegum pink, and this is kind of like a fuchsia purpley kind of pink, which is odd because the box shows like this color pink. Now, I don't know if it's gonna focus or not. Like, huh? That is not the same color as my hair. The way it's saying it on the box looked like a bubblegum pink. Bruh, I got purple, so I don't know what I did wrong. Maybe I left it in for too long, not sure. Cause like, even like the darker color blonde is still pretty bubblegum pink. So a little bit confused where we went wrong here, but whatever. Regardless, it still looks cute. I definitely think it was worth like the $14. It's gonna rinse out in like a couple more washes, so it's just kind of like a fun little change that I did. So, you know, I'm not really too mad now that we got this under control and it don't look like. But yeah, anyway, so I hope you guys enjoyed this little vlog of me doing an impulsive decision of dyeing my hair pink purple. It was really fun to do something really spontaneous like this. I mean, it's kind of what I do with my hair. I like to do some crazy things. So this is probably not the first video you will see of something crazy with my hair. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye!